Alright, we are headed out the Mamquam FSR, former site of a quote-unquote secret sauna, and then it blew up and then someone died and then they took it out, got airlifted out. But there's a cool little waterfall that's down in there. So we're gonna go out and I'm going to take some photos down there. I've already been here before, so I know what to expect. There we go. Here we are, just at the trailhead, at the end of the road. So I came to the wrong one. I'm not terribly put off by that because there's still gonna be some cool stuff down here to check out. And I think there's a waterfall, which was the initial plan. Since I'm a huge wuss and all these rocks are real slick, I'm gonna stand on this altar of moss right here to set up to get that waterfall for a nice long exposure, black and white. Also, I don't know if you can see it, but there's some amazing old man spirit draped out all of these trees. It's beautiful. So I'll probably shoot that as well. There's a couple of spots in here that I'm definitely gonna shoot. So, but first I'm gonna start off with that and hope that this rain chills out. It's starting to rain more, which is not awesome. I've already got a polarizer on there. And I'm gonna put a 6-stop on there, because why not? I think this is gonna be great. Let's see what happens. So I got one at, let's see, ISO 400, f8 at 2 seconds. Got another one at 15 seconds. Gonna have to abort mission. It's raining harder now, and my camera's already soaked. Thank you for joining me on this first video. I appreciate it. The images that I shot, you can check out at the end of the video here, so stick around for those. Otherwise, if you'd like to see more, you can check out my Instagram or even my Etsy account. Both of those links will be at the bottom. Otherwise, you can also hit the like and subscribe buttons. And until then, have a good one.